Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing videos. In this video, I'm going to unbox the Beats Solo 3 wireless. So this is a wireless headphone. You can use both wire or wireless. And wireless we can use via the Bluetooth. So I'm just going to open up at the top here. So you can get this headphone for around $250 Australian dollars, or in US it probably less, $100 to 150s, depend on where you get them from. Now this headphone here have a capability to fast charge, so you can charge it within 5 minutes and you can play for 3 hours. So yep, 5 minutes charge and you can play for 3 hours. That's pretty cool. So in case you really need to use the headphone straight away, all you need is 5 minutes charge and you can use it for 3 hours. For longer usage, you can charge up to 40 hours playtime or use time. You can see here up to 40 hours wireless play with the battery. It's also got a battery fuel gauge, allowing you to see how much battery you got left. Built-in wireless microphone, so you don't actually have the microphone hanging out on some of the headphones. This one here has a built-in, and it's also you'll be able to control music and manage calls with this headphone. So very perfect for pairing with a mobile phone like an iPhone. So there it is inside the box here. I'm just opening up the cover. So inside there is another black box, and I'm just gonna lift up the box, so this way. So that's the logo at the top there. Down here on the side you got some informations such as the model number, the color, and where it's manufactured, or the date of manufacturing. Funny enough, it's got Vietnamese writing on here, so I wonder if this is made in Vietnam. So let's check it out. So it said here, it's got a lot of information right here. Made in China. So it's got made in China, but it's got a lot of different languages on this box right here. So let's open it inside the box. Oops, so that's the cover. Change the way you hear sound. So let's open up this one. So there's another cover of the box. Then inside the box there's another cover. So there's a lot of cover. And then inside that is another bag. So the headphones placing inside the bag. This is a carry bag. This is quite a good idea when you carry them around. You can put it inside a bag, giving it the price is so expensive for this headphone. I guess you do need protections. So it is placed inside this bag here, so that you can carry it around. So there's a small pocket in here as well. I wonder what's inside the pocket. There's nothing inside the pocket here. Probably for the cables inside that pocket. So there's a headphone right there. Here, I love to hear that clicks. It feels so good. Can you hear it? It clicks. It's just like it clicks right in place. You know, whereas the cheap headphones, sometimes it doesn't click really nice, and yeah, it tends to break after a while. So there it is, Solo 3. This headphone is brand new, so it's even got the tag right here. Charge me up for wireless mode, so you can charge it up. Presumably, where we can wireless charge this one somewhere. I'll have to find out. Okay, so over here, you can use on this side here to control for wireless mode. So you can see here there's a phone, so you can use it to pick up calls or make calls. And over here is for charging, wireless charging or cable charging. So down here is a USB port. You can plug it in for charging. There it is. So it's down here. Then there is a headphone, the cable jack, the 3.5 millimeter jack where you can plug it in. There's also a button over here where you can click on it to accept calls or make calls, or using a microphone or pose. So there's a few functions there. So left and right. Okay, let's see what else is in the box. You can feel there is something. So in order to move this, there's a small tab right here. We're gonna have to pull this tab up right here, as you can see. So pull that up, and underneath it will reveal some more accessories. So there it is. You even got this cool hanging thing that you can hang into your jeans, belt, or wherever, your keyring. Then there is this USB cables for charging. The silicone, so the rubber around the cable is very soft, so it's very similar to the iPhone cables. Very nice and soft, enjoyable. Feel like it's going to last for a while if you carefully use this USB cables. Then here is the cables. So these cables here allow you to plug into your mobile phones with a telephone icon here, so you can use it to control calls on your phone. Now you can see here, this is the special cables. You can see it has 3 black lines. So what this means is it will be able to use with your mobile phone to make calls and accept calls. And a normal standard jack only have 2 black lines. This one here is for the mobile phones. That's why you have 3 lines. Okay, so here it is. You can see it's even got a Beats logo on the side of the headphone cables here. That's pretty cool. So that's it. That is everything inside the box. I can't see there's anything else. So the only things left is this menu. So there is a menu in here. So let's see what's inside this menu. So we're just gonna have to open it. There is a stickers covering it. Oops. Okay, it's now open. So that's the menu in there. Beats Solo wireless menu. There's even a stickers you can stick into your table room if you like, or even onto your computer. So safety information booklets. So that's it. That's all the booklets. That's some instructions. So here's a quick instruction. You can open it. There it is. So that's everything inside the box. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope you find what you need, the information that you need, and hopefully you know exactly what is inside this box and this is what you're going to get. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.